last 10 months, stock lost, went from 800 to 200. It's a Reliance company, by the way. It's now back to about 290. Swift recovery from the lows, but of course, I mean, the damage has been quite a bit. Sudeep, thank you very much for joining us. That's the close which is coming through. Nifty about 1.7% higher, and a phenomenal day, really, led, of course, by banks.
Well, Bharti Airtel also catches your attention. 3.25% higher for the day. In the last 1 year, Bharti Airtel is up 54%, and in the last 3 years, it's up 150%. So it's really been a defensive stock in the face of all the volatility, and stock 150% in the last 3 years. And today, Bernstein raised the target price further to 2020 as they anticipate another round of tariff hikes in November and December. But the gainers on the large cap screen: ICICI Bank, Bajaj Finance, Kotak Mahindra Bank, State Bank of India, SBI Life. So the gainers list is full of banks, financials like insurance, AMCs across the board. Other than that, Reliance Industries was a big mover. Reliance Industries today, with its 2.6% up move, crossed the 50 and the 100-day moving average. So that's a big gainer. On the way down, you had Wipro, 4% lower, top loser. Tech Mahindra ended in the red. MotoCorp, where the companies announced that for 3 days, 17 to 19, there will be a production shutdown to align with the supply chain. So MotoCorp ended down 0.25%. BPCL, Hindalco, JSW Steel, Coal India, some of the other large caps ending in the red.
Absolutely. Quite a day for mid-caps today. However, just to point out some movers and shakers, you've still got names like KFin, 5.5% higher, Cello World, 5% higher, Vijaya Diagnostics, about 5%. And some of the small finance banks have done really well. Jana Small Finance Bank, Equita Small Finance Bank, and Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. All of these stocks up almost 6 to 7%. Overall, a solid week for the Indian equity market. Well, that's a wrap, but stay tuned because we have the Editors Roundtable coming up next.